Uh, what are the things we're taking away? I'll start with some takeaways from Powerhouse. Again, it's an amazing mastermind, bro. It's for the amount of value that I've gotten and everybody gets in there, and even the type of people you're surrounded with who are extremely high level entrepreneurs, it has been an absolute blessing. And one of the main guys, Josh Snow, who's worth an obscene amount of money at age 28, like obscene, a savant. He's a savant of a human, one of the best entrepreneurs I think he's the best entrepreneur I've ever met in my life, period. He's one of the most intentional people ever, to where he sets his mind to it, thinks about it, and then he's 100% intention on getting it done no matter what. And so, again, it goes down to focus, right? He can, even though at this point now, and I talk about this a lot, he truly only uses soft skills, right? And so that's leadership and sales, and then thinking on how to market better, but it's all just soft. It's all soft skills. It's not like hard computer skills or anything else like that. But he uses those soft skills to do whatever he wants, and then he can be really intentional with those things, which is wild, to where I don't even know how I could keep up with it. And the number one thing he tells me, like most people, not just me, right, is work less, make more. Apply that to everything else you do. Work less, make more. You're probably working too much. Like how everyone else's job is to make sure I don't work. And he used this example. One of his employees, like, he went through and had this meeting of, hey, you're going to do this, you're going to do that. Yeah, you over there, you're going to do that. And one of his employees was like, hey, what are you going to do? He's like, well, I'm going to make sure that payroll's met, you have health insurance, and all these other things that I have to do to make sure you can grow, right? So that way you can be more significant in whatever you're doing. And that stuck with me, right? So if that's the way he thinks, then why am I not thinking that way? How can I delegate more? How can I delegate better, right? How can I can always delegate better. And in one of our companies, we've had a lot of growth and we've had hire on a lot of staff, but I could have delegated better and built it out more. But if he's telling me, hey, bro, you work too much, work less. I go into the office 2 times a week, and that's because I really want to, but work less. How can you work less in your business and make more money?